Welcome to our guide on finding low-cost flights to and from London. We'll explore 5 smart strategies to help you save money on air travel. These include identifying budget airlines, using fare comparison tools effectively, booking at the optimal times, considering alternative London airports, and leveraging travel rewards programs. Strategy 1 is to identify budget airlines serving London. Airlines like Ryanair, EasyJet, Wizz Air, Norwegian, and Vueling offer competitive fares. For the best deals, book directly on their websites. Be flexible with your travel dates, and watch out for extra fees like baggage charges that can increase the total cost. Strategy 2 focuses on fare comparison tools. Websites and apps like Skyscanner, Google Flights, Kayak, Momondo, and Hopper can help you find the best deals across multiple airlines. For maximum effectiveness, use incognito mode to avoid price increases based on your search history, set up price alerts for your desired routes, and always compare results across multiple platforms. Strategy 3 is about booking at optimal times. For international flights to London, book 2 to 5 months ahead, while European flights are best booked 1 to 3 months in advance. Sometimes last-minute deals appear 2 to 3 weeks before departure. Tuesday and Wednesday are typically the best days to book, and also good days to fly along with Saturday. Remember to avoid holidays and peak seasons when prices surge. Strategy 4 involves considering alternative airports around London. Besides Heathrow, you can fly to Gatwick, Stansted, Luton, London City, or Southend. Budget airlines often use these smaller airports where fares can be significantly lower. Additional benefits include less congestion and faster processing times, though you should factor in transport costs to central London when comparing options. Strategy 5 focuses on leveraging travel rewards and discounts. Join airline frequent flyer programs, use travel-focused credit cards to earn points, and take advantage of hotel loyalty partnerships. Don't forget about special discounts like student and youth fares, group booking rates, and promotional sales. Airfares, mistakenly published low prices, can also offer incredible savings if you're quick to book them. To summarize our guide to low-cost London flights, use budget airlines like Ryanair and EasyJet. Compare fares across multiple platforms, book 1 to 5 months ahead during midweek, consider all 6 London area airports, and leverage loyalty programs and special discounts. Visit our store at payhip.com/lotusnest for more travel resources. Thanks for your support.